What's inside a water bottle is right there. If you didn't know, these are Hydro Flasks.
They're kind of like Yeti cups.
In 2019, they became a very popular Halloween costume and meme. We thought that it'd be a great idea to, one, customize our own what's inside water bottles. They're not like Hydro Flask brands, which are these two right here. We made these.
It's not like a sticker either.
Yeah, this is no sticker. This is nice. We went with white in our logo. Our only merch we've ever done. You want to buy it?
Merch.
Check the link in the description. We built in our own website for it, and we've got a limited edition of these that we are selling. You can keep water and ice in here for days. The second thing that we want to do is we want to cut open a Hydro Flask and see what's inside of it to see how the double wall insulated metal works, and we'll also cut open one of ours. We've cut open the Yeti mugs before.
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln, this is Dan, and today we're gonna cut open some Yeti cups.
And it was metal, and it also had a vacuum sealed wall.
Look at that. Oh,
Skills. These two are London's. This one's London's. Yeah, she has two. So she takes these to school. What does the Hydro Flask have to do with memes?
there's an app called Visco.
Visco.
And that's very known for being like a Visco girl, is having a Hydro Flask and lots of scrunchies.
Has a Hydro Flask, scrunchies, and Claire, can I have that camera? Claire's our professional video camera zoomer and filmer with the second angle. Claire, do you know what a Visco girl is? Do they talk about that at your school?
Yeah.
She loves Visco girls.
They're so annoying.
They're annoying? What makes it, did Lincoln leave anything out of what a Visco girl is?
Yeah.
They wear baggy shirts,
Baggy
they
shirts.
have a certain type of backpack that they like. It's weird, and then they also have like some shoes with like the kind of like a checkerboard on it.
Vans.
I don't know.
It's Vans.
Yeah.
Vans?
Vans checkerboards, yeah.
Vans? Okay, I didn't know Vans were part of the Visco girl. Do people ever say that you're a Hydro Flask girl? I mean a Visco girl?
Yeah.
They do?
Like whenever I carry it around, then yeah.
Yeah, if you just carry it like this, you just like walk around.
That's how Visco girls hold it?
I don't know, but if you just see somebody walking around with a Hydro Flask and like they drop it, what do they, here, drop your Hydro Flask.
No.
Here, drop your Hydro
Drop that one.
Flask.
No.
Wait, what, does it make a noise?
No.
I'll drop
Yeah.
it. Give it to me, I'll drop
No,
it.
you don't know what to do.
No.
What do you
Claire
mean?
knows what to do.
I don't want to.
Please drop it.
Okay, Lincoln, can you drop it?
No.
What?
I'm not dropping
What? Dropping it is a thing? That's
Don't
something?
wanna-
It's like
I
the
don't
biggest.
want to do that.
Yeah.
Why?
It's just annoying.
It's so annoying.
Okay, we're now outside. Here's the Hydro Flask. Can
It's
somebody
so
please
annoying.
show me the dropping thing? I have to know this.
Now, what do you say?
And I hoop.
Nice job.
And I hoop.
Yeah, it's so annoying.
Wait.
No, don't do it again.
And I hoop.
And I hoop.
No, it's
What the heck is this? Are you guys messing with me?
no.
I've had multiple people, multiple classes drop their Hydro Flask.
And they just say it
and
out
like
of
5
nowhere,
people
too.
just say that.
And I hoop.
Nice.
Like that?
I'm not.
Hydro Flasks. When you say it, it sounds like it. So the noise that they said, let's go sit down. You guys are probably like, you're such a boomer because you don't know what that is. And it's true, I admit it. I'm a boomer about this because I don't know. And I hoop. I can't believe that is a thing that you guys both knew, that you've never talked about that, right?
No.
It's just
Together?
everybody.
Everybody does that? What? I've already learned so much from this video today that I did not anticipate learning.
It's been terrible. Not even close.
Welcome to the scrapyard. This is where lots of metal is that's left over from over 2,000 pounds of metal every single month. These are our friends that have a water jet. Got the wood. There's this whole thing's water underneath there, and so he's got this nice wood on top of here. And then we put the Hydro Flask there, and then it makes sense to put some giant metal blocks on the side of it so it doesn't really move around much. Goes into the computer and does some fancy work right here. Lincoln, we're set?
Yeah.
Are you ready? As soon as it's done and the machine turns off, what do you say?
No.
All right. I think we are ready to do this. There she goes. Right through it. I love this thing. Purely
Water cuts stuff.
Water
like
and
metal.
sand. There's
Water.
sand in it too.
Here we go. You ready?
Are you ready? I like your sound effects.
Yeah, it's got the like double sealed thing like the Yeti cup.
Double walls.
Yeah, got a straw.
Look at the walls that are inside of this. You can see the separation between the inside of the metal and the outside. The only place it really connects, it doesn't connect down in here. It's just right up here near the seal. We're gonna cut ours open right now and see what it looks like on the inside. There we go, the what's inside water bottle is right there. Goodbye, what's inside water bottle. For that part. Oh my gosh. The beginning of the water jet going is so loud. I don't have ear protection. But once it hits the bottle, it gets a lot quieter. It's so loud at the store. It's so loud. Boom.
Boom.
And I oop. And I oop, Lincoln. All right, buddy. Pick that bad boy up. Okay, that looks so similar. It's basically the same thing with the vacuum sealed wall. From this angle, you can't really tell a difference. This one does look like it has a little bit more space on the bottom. They look pretty much the same right here.
Like the exact same thing.
There wasn't a consensus in our house on which ones people wanted. So we're like, you know what, let's just get one of each size. I learned a ton today about Visco girls and about what you say when this happens.
Oh no!
And I oop, Lincoln. They say and I oop and they make that noise. Supposedly it happens all the time. So maybe that's just a Utah thing. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Is that just a Utah thing? Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
And that's what's inside of a Hydro Flask. Oh, and I was gonna say it. I wanted to say it, but you didn't drop it. What is it again? You got wrecked. No, you go down. No, what is it?
You don't know?
No, I forgot already. I seriously forgot.
No, but you haven't known about this before?
I know. So I hope that you all feel more educated. All of you adults that are watching this right now, and dads and moms, now you know what your kids do. So you should trick your kids sometime and just drop a Hydro Flask in your house, or buy our beautiful insulated water bottle and drop it, and then just say and I oop and see what your kids do, because they know.
What?
Chicka. Do it, seriously. Please do it. Please do it and send us a video. I want to see people. It's like the Jimmy Kimmel, I ate my kid's Halloween, or like some trick that he does where you film, like set up a camera and then drop it and do it and see if your kids roll their eyes. Bonus points if they call you a boomer. That'd be good. Mm-hmm. I also don't really know what that means either. So many cool things came out of 2019, and we're solving all of those right now.
I don't know if it's that cool.